She back or whatever. I know y'all miss me. I mean, well, kind of not because y'all won't know that I haven't a video. What? Where is this going? Y'all don't care. Y'all here for the product, so let me get to it. This is the new Wahala palette from Juvia's Place. I absolutely love this mask that they came out with. It's super pretty. And then, you know, Wahala says drama. As you can see, we did some drama. That was weird. Some drama today. Yes, honey, we snatched that eyeshadow all the way back. Drama. So, this is what the palette looks like on the inside. This palette is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Like, I saw the pictures, you know, on Instagram and online, but it's totally different when you get it, you know, in person. This palette is pretty. This palette is really pretty. So, I've watched, I think maybe 3 or 4 reviews on this palette, but nobody, well, they say in the video, but nobody has mentioned the fact that, I don't know if this was Juvia's Place's idea or is what they meant to do, but I don't know. Like, when I looked at the palette, I was like, oh, it's like a color story vertically. As you can see, each row kind of has their own color story versus just, you know, palette, the eyeshadow just thrown in there haphazardly. But they're like strategically placed in these columns. And I was like, why don't I do a look for each color story? Obviously today we started with the purple because y'all know that's one of my favorite colors to use besides blue. I cannot wait to get to this row right here. And you can see that this one is a duochrome, but I don't know. Oh, there you go. It goes from a purple to a green. Yeah, a green. It's like a oil slick type of duochrome. It's so pretty. And the glitters right here, 1, 2, and 3. This is the first palette that Juvia's Place has with pressed glitters in it. If pressed glitter is not your thing, don't get the palette. But if you don't mind it, I say get the palette. So far, I'm loving this palette. All the eyeshadows that I use blended absolutely amazing, especially the 2 matte eyeshadows that I used in my crease. I was at first, I was like, oh no, but I worked it out and I really like this eyeshadow formula. Okay, so anyway, so I'm going to stop talking. After this part, don't think I'm going to talk anymore in this video because I want to fit all 5 of these looks in this video, and I'm sure you can tell that I'm filming on my iPad. I've explained this before, but yeah, I'm filming on my iPad because it's just easier to film, it's easy to edit, and I want to cut down the talking so I can fit all of the eye looks in the video because I can only upload 15-minute videos. So I've been talking for like 4 minutes, and yeah, so toasted with a kiss. And when I write him, he better get it on time. do we like? Hi, sis. Alright, so I'm going to quickly do a rundown of this palette and give you my final thoughts on it. So the palette, I love the artwork. I'm sure I said that in the beginning. So I'll give you another look. Now this palette has gone through some things. She's gone through 5 different looks, darling. So she looks a little rough now, but here we go. Here's what she looks like. She is gorgeous. Now, I know that this, as of right now, this palette is sold out. And I do know that Juvia's Place is going to restock this in July. At least that's what they said on their Instagram. So, yeah, my opinion. I like this palette a lot. I really, 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 really like this palette. I suggest you get it if you're in the market for a new palette. If you just want to add more color to your collection, I highly recommend it. The glitter, this is my first time really working with pressed glitters. I like them. I do. I have them all in my crease right here, I have it here, and on my lips. Yeah, I really like the palette. I don't have anything bad to say. But yeah, I'm gonna wrap this up. I hope you all enjoyed this video. This was a lot of work. It was a lot of work, and I commend the people who do this, like, for almost every palette that they purchase that's new. Because I know I'm subscribed to one girl. She does like 3 looks for every new palette that she gets. I'm like, girl, I don't know how you can do it. But yeah, this was an experience. I don't know if I'll do this again. Like this many looks, I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, baby girl went through some things. Like I'm sure I've been putting it on the screen. If you want to know like my highlight, lashes, and everything else I did not mention in the video, it'll be in the description box below. So you know what you gotta do, sis. You gotta stay in your lane. You have to drink your water. Mind your own business. Black lives matter, and they will forever matter. Period. You don't like that? Well, get off my channel. Anyways, girl, and since you're here, take your vitamins.